everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing well. Happy 2021. And right here is my 2021 planner. Today we're gonna cover what's in this planner, a flip through of my setup for this year and an honest review of the planner itself. So just so you know, this is, I believe, my very first planner video in 2021. So if you're into that stuff, or if you're into lifestyle and all other things that fancy your creative side, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of that. So without further ado, let's get to the flip through. That rhymed. So this is a pocket rings planner from Print Pression. This is not my first Print Pression purchase. I started off 2020 with a Print Pression Weeks planner. Did I start with it, or was that my second planner? I went through so many different planners last year that it's just so hard to keep track now. So my goal is to stick to one planner, and I think this is gonna be the one, okay? I absolutely love it, but hang on to the end so I can share my honest thoughts about it. Let's compare with last year's planner. So this is the Pocket Rings Moterm that I used last year. To be honest, I couldn't even pull myself together to do a flip through because I just wasn't satisfied with the planner itself. It is an absolutely beautiful planner, very inexpensive, and it's gorgeous, especially with the other cool pockets, but there are just some design flaws that just don't fit my personal needs. I don't mean for this to be a comparison video, but I guess it will be. I don't like the front at all. I think this should be the back and this should be the front, so we could display things in the front, because I couldn't even put much in here. I had to use a paper clip to hold die cuts into place. Otherwise, it doesn't serve me like any aesthetic function at all. And also, I hated the rings. It's just so small, and I know there are smaller out there, but my gosh, this is still too small for me. I struggled flipping through the pages. So I ordered new rings and they never came in. So that was sad. So let's compare. It's kind of unfair of a comparison because this isn't filled completely. But you see here, this is a 19mm rings and this is a 25mm rings. So I already love the planner for its size and the capacity of how much it can hold. So let's get to the flip through. So this is how my front side looks like. This is my whole little setup from a glance in the front. You see these dividers. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them before. They were in my previous planner. I've made them myself, and we have just a mix of cuteness all over. So this front section, we've got some die cuts and a magnet. This is from the Honey Bee Shop. This is from Drips and Cherry, and this is from Paper Dolls Co. And then in this pocket section, so just without anything in here, this already looks so beautiful and sleek. That's what Print Pression is known for this little cross pocket thing. I don't know, it's really nice and very consistent throughout all his planner covers. So I have here my own stickers and some more stickers in this recycled Ziploc, holographic Ziploc, sure. And then some sticky notes from the Honey Bee Shop. So I don't know when I'm posting this video, so if it's before I release these new products, then here is a sneak preview. These are script and typed font kind of planner, like bullet journaling stickers. You could use them in your planner as well. I have more. These are the days of the week. You have a mix of both. And then you have the boba run with my iconic boba icon. Now getting to the actual planner, I have my pen in the rings, and then I have my mild liner, my trusty pink mild liner to add some more color to the planner, and I actually use this a lot. This vellum I printed out. This is from Nata Notes on Tumblr. This is from the the Planner Spot Co. And then this is from the Honeybee Shop, one of our babe boxes. And this is another die cut from Paper Dolls Co. This is from Drips and Cherry, and I made this myself, but I won't take the credit because I saw this on, I want to say, Pinterest. I don't remember who made this, but I just kind of copied it and printed it myself. So absolutely love it. I wish I could give credit to the person who did make this. So if you know who did, please let me know so I could give credit where it's due. So in the back, I have more die cuts. Bare Necessities, a Honeybee Shop, Mommy Lay. This dashboard is from Planning in the Clouds. And then this is, I love this. Oh my gosh, ouch. Are y'all okay? I didn't mean to hit you guys. This is from Planner Press. It says, "You got this, you're a fighter, look at what you've already overcome." And I love reading this. It just helps reaffirm like why I do what I do and just to keep going at it. It's a great positive affirmation. These are from Planner Press, and these are just translucent page flags. And this sticker die cut is just so freaking cute. This is from My Cute Digitals. This paper clip holding that, it's so beautiful. It's from Moon Kissed Paper. And this die cut is from Mother, Me, and I. This vellum is also from Nata Notes. I want to say this is from Planner Spot. And these are also from Nata Notes. So far, all these printables that I've shown you are free, but there are some that I have purchased. So I'll keep moving on and I'll let you know which ones are available on Etsy. This is from Drips and Cherries. This is also a freebie from Nata Notes. So this is, I'll just jump to it. So this functional month view of everything, oh my gosh, absolutely love this. This is from Alibi Design Studio, and I love it because you have the whole calendar here, a note section, a to-do section, a bill section, and a whole freaking habit tracker for the month. This is the most functional monthly pages I've ever seen, and I absolutely love it. So the reason why I have the sticky note here is because I've been using it since last year. So those printables really come in clutch, and I'm using them again. So this is December. So I'm just covering that up to start a new year. And here we are into January. These little dots are actually right here. These are from wish.com. They were so cheap. And it comes like with a whole roll of like $2.50. It's like a lot. It's really, really cool. So moving on, this die cut sticker I laminated and punched is from the Honeybee Shop. And this is also from the Honeybee Shop, this acetate. It's from one of her bait boxes. This is from my shop, this magnet right here. My shop, Blushing Boba Studio, and then this is my weeklies, and these weeklies are from Alibi Design Studio, and more Honeybee Shop goodies, all of this right here. And these are die cuts that I just put washi tape on, so there is some dimension to it, which is really cool. This is from Philo Facts. I had to trim the end so it could fit a little better for me to like move. These dailies are from Nata Notes. So far the only ones I've really paid are the printables from Alibi Design Studio that I've showed you, and another one I bought from JI Design Studio on Etsy. More dailies. There's another daily that I put here. Okay, here. So this type of dailies, these are from Peanuts Planner Co. They're also free if you join the Facebook group. And this is my YouTube section. This die cut is from My Cute Digitals, and this I repurposed this like little thank you card from Little Sin Sews when you like order her stuff. So I thought it was really cute and I put them together. This is just a blank section where I just, you know, jot down YouTube ideas. It's good to have a brain dump section. This is my miscellaneous section. This is from the Honeybee Shop. And this is from Caffeine and Paper Co., formerly known as Banana Doodle Shop. So this section is like my attempt at bullet journaling. So this is my love language with Christopher. This is my vision board, or one of my vision boards, because I've got a few. So this kind of inspires me, motivates me. I just put down my goals and the people who inspire me, and you know, more goals under there. So I love this spread, and these are the colors of my shop. I have another die cut. It's from My Cute Digitals, and then just to keep track of my Disney annual pass, just making sure I renew on time. And this section I'm gonna bring closer right here so y'all can, I don't know, pause and write them down, because these are the planner shops I currently PR for. So if you check out these shops, you can use these codes for these discounts. So take advantage of that right there. So I move on, disregard the 2020. A lot of this is I've used in my 2020 planner. I just didn't bother changing this to 2021 because I still didn't even fulfill this in 2020. It's been a lot. There was just a lot going on that last year, so I didn't finish any of these books. Whoops. Hope to get to them this year. So these are my fixed monthly expenses, which obviously I'm covering for personal reasons. And these are my nurse annual goals, just so I could keep track of my renewal dates for my licenses. I like to keep track of what they do in each car service as well. And this is my cleaning schedule, which I should do better in following, because last year I did not follow it well. I mean, I'm a very clean person. It's just, I mean, I did not do some of these things. I put them off. I procrastinate. I'm adulting here, and it's just a struggle. This vellum is from Planner Press, and this is my die cut from my shop, Blushing Boba Studio, because we are now getting to the Blushing Boba section. So we're just going to quickly go through this because there are some things I want to leave a surprise for you guys. So, okay. I'll edit that part out because I accidentally flipped through it. So I'm going to find a blank section. So this first section, the blushing section, is just like my project planner, like ideas, brain dump of ideas. So this boba section is all the financial stuff, which I haven't really filled out yet because we just started. This die cut is from, oh my gosh, brain fart, Caffeine and Paper Co., also formerly known as Banana Doodle Shop. I can't really show these next pages, but I would love to show off these beautiful dividers by Senny, aka Planning in the Clouds. All right, so this is also from Planning in the Clouds. And then these inserts are from JI Design Studio. This next section is just like, I guess, the miscellaneous part of the Blushing Boba section. And these cute die cuts coincidentally go along with each other, although they're from different shops. This is from Little Sin Sews. These two are from Bare Necessities, formerly known as Grumpy Bear Co. or Grumpy Bear Stickers. And this is from the Honeybee Shop, along with this cute planner clip. More Planner Press vellum. So this section I recently added. This was not in my 2020 planner setup. These I found from Target, and these are just like the new Post-its that they have. I like how they have little tabs to do today and goals. I just added them on pink cardstock just so they could stick out a little more and you could really like see the tabs better. And then a random notes section. Then this is a freebie from Type A for Alexa from a planner meetup in Orlando. And this is from Filofax with this cute card that I purchased. It says continue with a semicolon. This card means a lot to me. That's why I didn't want to slip it in here. These little slots, like I want to see this. And this is from Planner Press. So this section right here, this is the back section. Let's start with the zipper. I believe there's just some page flags in here. We have a picture of me and my boo thing, a clip that says babe, which totally makes sense. And this is from Caffeine and Paper. These are the Honeybee Shop washi tape. And there's just more stickers in here. And yeah, so things I absolutely love about this planner is that it's huge. It holds so much. It doesn't seem as rigid, and it's just so, I just love how spacious it is. That's a really big plus. The rings are really big. It seems to me that it functions to my liking much better. Like I said, like with my previous planner, you couldn't decorate the front. Like so when I open it, it just didn't seem as inviting as this. So cons, this could just be a little defect to this particular planner, but I do have gaps in the rings. Is this something I could ignore? Yeah, it's not a big deal. Another con is that these slits are actually very short. It has the illusion that it can go all the way through, but it doesn't because of the zipper. So I had to kind of trim the ends a little more for it to go through, but you see that it still doesn't go all the way in. And then same with the other slots. So another reason why I couldn't put the card in here. But more so, this works out because this is clear and I can see the message better. So there's that. Another plus. I'm going back and forth the pros and cons. But this plus is that it comes with 2 snaps. So if it gets bigger, you can adjust. And then something I absolutely don't like about this planner, and maybe this particular planner is just a defect and everyone else is not having that issue. I really don't know. But that was a struggle to get off. And I use this highlighter a lot. You see here the diameter is just very, very tight. It could probably fit like a mechanical pencil, but nothing thicker than this. And this is kind of wide. And if this could not fit, this definitely will not fit because of the grip. So the way I do it is I just try to get used to it with this and here and just hope that it stretches and, you know, keeps stretching and stuff. And I just slip this in here. And there you have it. That's my flip through and honest review about the Print Pression pocket rings. In general, I absolutely love it, especially now that I moved from my Moterm to this. Like, this is such a great upgrade. And I got this on sale from the Black Friday sale, so it was even more affordable than it already is, because even at full price, it's still super affordable of a planner. So if you're getting started with pocket rings or just want something new, definitely check out Print Pression. And yeah, I freaking love my setup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Let me get to planning now. Bye.